I have pulled all the stickers off all the way around, blocked the edges off, finishing up this one corner right here. I'll keep that gun moving. Let it sit somewhere too long. There's nothing but trouble. Let's see if that'll do it. Listen. That joker hot. Gotta watch out for the tip if you ain't never used one of those. It'll melt the skin off of you. Block that off. Get them stickers off. Be careful. Don't gouge your cow. Ooh. A lot of trash in this paint. That's it. Now, just gotta be wiped down and lightly sanded. And I'm gonna shoot the whole motor and turn it back looking factory. I'm gonna put the Johnson logo back on the side and camo after I paint it. Well, I want it to be camo, but I'm gonna see what it looks like on the pictures first. A little friend of mine in Montgomery, Alabama, on Perry Hill Road. His company's called Signs Now. He wraps automobiles for the sheriff's units and cars and enclosed trailers. Only thing he don't wrap is bass boats. So I'm gonna take it to him. Take the cow off and take it to him and let him sticker it.